Govee has been making waves in the smart lighting game, and their latest offerings, the Govee 3 Lite and Govee T2, are two of the hottest LED strip lights on the market. Both promise to transform your space with vibrant colors and immersive lighting effects, but which one is better? In this epic showdown, we're putting these two lighting beasts head-to-head to help you decide which one deserves a spot in your home or office. We'll look into their design, brightness, color accuracy, and ease of use, leaving no stone unturned. But that's not all. We've got some mind-blowing insights and surprises that'll blow your mind. So, make sure you watch till the end. Oh, and don't forget to check out the links in the description box below to grab these bad boys for yourself. Let's get into the video. Right off the bat, you'll notice the Govee T2 is a bit bulkier with its dual camera setup, while the 3 Lite keeps things sleek with a single fisheye lens. But don't let the slimmer profile fool you, the 3 Lite still packs a punch. The T2's unique design allows it to lie almost flat, making it perfect for mounting under your TV or monitor for that ultra-clean, minimalist look. The 3 Lite, on the other hand, has a fixed angle that may not work as well for under-screen setups. However, it does have a handy weighted end that keeps it securely balanced on top of your display. Both units feel solidly built, but the T2's heftier construction gives it a slight edge in terms of premium feel and stability. That extra weight helps it stay locked in place without any shifting or sliding. The 3 Lite, being lighter, doesn't feel quite as planted, especially on textured surfaces. That said, the 3 Lite's slim profile and modern aesthetic might be more appealing if you prefer a low-profile, discreet lighting solution that blends seamlessly into your setup. In terms of adjustability, the T2 wins again with its flexible, hinged design that can open up to almost flat for optimal camera viewing angles. The 3 Lite's fixed 105-degree angle is still fairly wide, but doesn't offer the same level of customization. But let's be real, you're here for the light show, and oh boy do these babies deliver! Starting with the Govee T2, its dual camera system and higher LED density result in stunningly accurate color reproduction that'll blow you away. Whether you're watching a vibrant nature documentary or a dimly lit thriller, the T2 captures every hue and subtle shade shift with remarkable precision. With more RGB WW LEDs, the T2 displays colors and lighting effects with exceptional resolution and clarity. Nothing is too fast for this LED beast to accurately sync its lighting output. The 3 Lite, while not quite as pixel perfect, still offers an immersive lighting experience that will elevate your viewing pleasure. Its RGB LEDs do a commendable job of tracking on-screen action and blending colors, though you may notice some very slight banding or oversaturation at times, especially with blazing reds and vibrant greens. One area, however, where the 3 Lite outshines its bigger brother is its handling of inky black scenes. Thanks to its ability to dim individual LED zones down to 0% brightness, it can maintain true deep blacks without any distracting light bleed or washed-out shadows. The T2's higher minimum brightness can cause some lighter black crush and blooming around bright objects. That said, both units are excellent at creating smooth, flicker-free lighting transitions in their own ways. The T2's higher LED density gives it an edge in displaying tight color gradients and gradual brightness shifts with perfect fluidity. Meanwhile, the 3 Lite leverages its fisheye lens and advanced software processing to achieve remarkably tight sync speeds for its lower LED count. In the brains department, these Govee lights are no slouches either. Both models connect to your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for untethered control via the Govee Home app on your smartphone. Within the slick app interface, you'll find a dazzling array of preset scene modes and dynamic lighting effects to choose from. Whether you want punchy accent lighting for movies, rhythmic audio visualizations for music, or trippy animated patterns for a party atmosphere, there's something for everyone. The T2 boasts more advanced calibration options in the app that allow you to finely tune aspects like brightness levels, LED zoning, and dynamic response to perfectly suit your viewing environment. You can even use the dual view mode to customize lighting zones across multiple displays. Speaking of multiple displays, one of the T2's standout features is its almost 180-degree dual camera visibility. By seamlessly blending the feeds from the two independent sensors, it can map your entire multi-monitor desktop setup without any frustrating blind spots. That said, the 3 Lite still holds its own when it comes to smart features and app control. Its single fisheye lens provides excellent coverage for most living room TV setups. And while it lacks the hyper-granular adjustments, the simple on-screen UI makes it a breeze to get up and running with minimal fuss. Both models also integrate nicely with popular smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Samsung SmartThings for hands-free voice control of your bias lighting scenes. Now let's talk about dollars and cents. At the time of recording this video, the Govee T2 retails for around $109 to $119.19, while the 3 Lite comes in at a more wallet-friendly $80 to $89.99 range, a full $40 difference. Is the T2 worth the premium? For critical video enthusiasts and gamers who demand precise color accuracy and cutting-edge smart features, that extra investment could be well worth it. The T2's higher LED density, RGB WW diodes, dual camera tracking, and enhanced customization translate to a noticeably more immersive and responsive ambient lighting experience. It also simply feels like a more robustly built, high-end product that should provide years of reliable performance. The heavy-duty construction and flexible hinges allow for seamless integration into even the most elaborate home theater setups. However, if you're working with a tighter budget or just want an easy entry into bias lighting without breaking the bank, the Govee 3 Lite represents an exceptional value proposition. While it can't quite match the T2's elite level of performance, it still punches well above its weight class in terms of color vibrancy, smart control, and immersive potential. For casual viewers just looking to upgrade their TV viewing experience with some added dynamic lighting pizzazz, the 3 Lite hits the sweet spot in balancing quality and affordability. Its simple setup and user-friendly app make it an appealing option for smart home newbies as well. So, which Govee Lite is the champion of this showdown? As with most things, it depends on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. If you're a critical movie lover, gaming enthusiast, or home theater nut who demands only the best in color accuracy, brightness, and immersive effects, the Govee T2 is the undisputed champion. Its powerful combination of dual camera tracking, high LED density, expanded color gamut coverage, and hyper-tunable settings simply can't be matched by its smaller sibling. The T2's buttery smooth real-time lighting synchronization, flawless handling of rapidly shifting hues, and superior light output make it the pinnacle of bias lighting for those willing to pay a premium. Its robust aluminum construction and flexible hinge design are also built to integrate seamlessly into even the most elaborate multi-display setups. However, if you're looking for an easy, affordable way to drastically up-level your content viewing or gaming sessions without emptying your wallet, the Govee 3 Lite is an absolute knockout value. While it can't quite reach the same elite levels of lighting precision and customizability as the T2, the 3 Lite still brings vivid colors, immersive effects, and impressive ambient lighting capabilities that far exceed its modest price point. Its simple setup, user-friendly app control, and discreet aesthetics also make it a great entry point into the world of smart bias lighting. For casual users who want to add serious cinematic flair to their movie nights and console gaming on a budget, the 3 Lite delivers spectacularly while going easy on your pocketbook. At the end of the day, there's no definitive better model between these two Govee smart lights. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs, preferences, and budget when deciding which is the ideal fit for your entertainment space. If money is no object, and you prioritize having the most premium, no-compromises ambient lighting solution on the market, you can't go wrong with the stellar Govee T2. But those looking for exceptional value and performance won't be disappointed by the incredibly capable and affordable Govee 3 Lite either. No matter which you choose, one thing is certain: your viewing experience is about to be transformed in wildly vivid fashion. But what do you think? Are you Team Govee T2 or 3 Lite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this showdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos comparing the hottest new tech. We'll see you next time for more head-to-head gadget action.